Welcome back to my channel. I didn't know I didn't make none of them. So anyways, I made my cheese sandwich. It was damn good, like grilled cheese. But this is only 2 steps. That's very easy. I want this to be a video always short. So let me just start cooking it away. So So first you're gonna need some bread. Because I love cheese. I think my Arizona. Now you're gonna get 2 pieces of bread. If you only want one, that's your choice. So I'm going to put this in like this, and you're gonna get some cheese. So now I got the cheese. You know, any cheese is fine for you. I put like mac and cheese. So I will make a huge mess. So okay, now you got this. I got this good cheese. I know it's a lot because I love cheese. I'm gonna make a second one. So I made my second one. So now you're gonna put it back and fold. You need to use the microwave. This is actually 3. Now put it in the microwave and set the timer for 30 seconds. Set the timer for 30 seconds. 30. So look. It's cooking. So, okay. You can just wait for a little 9-10 more seconds. Take this out. And I'll just take this out now. And now, this is the only steps. It's hot though. I wonder if you you're gonna see how cheesy it is. Cheese part. It's so good. See? Look at this inside. But this is busting. It really it tastes like real mac and cheese. See, look at this. So this is the cheesiest one. You need to get up and try it now.